Why would someone want to live a negative life? Well, we know that living a negative life is not God's will. In Galatians, you see this 5:22, he talks about the fruits of the Spirit, love, peace, patience, joy. God wants us to be happy. Well, what can happen to us in life is you start getting negative. You start looking outside of yourself, whatever's wrong, whatever's messed up, whatever is lousy, and it can almost become addicting. And you build your identity on fault finding and seeing things that are just not right about this life. And they are out there. But the problem comes is then when that becomes part of who we are, we know that life, but we don't know the life of joy. We don't know happiness. We may know in the back of our heads, if we find whatever is good and whatever is true and beautiful and focus on them, we could have a better life, but we choose what we know because it gives us oftentimes security. Well, the bottom line is this life is a gift, and that God gives us his love in Jesus Christ to free us, to change what's inside of us, which affects what we see and what we focus on, to learn to enjoy life and to have joy. Can you be a negative person? I would say yes, and many people will choose that route, but it's a wasting of your life. God wants us to find joy, joy through his Son, joy through his grace, joy through the freedom that we get in our relationship with him. I hope this video has been helpful for you, but in any case, as we say, Salam alaikum, God's peace be with you on your journey.